So I'd like to welcome you back to this update for Immaculate Heart of Mary School. It's been a long time since we've checked in with you, and I thank you for your continued support and prayers and following us on our updates. So since we talked last, I think it was our early summer or late spring, we've made a lot of progress on the exterior of the building with the windows, the siding, the trim, a lot of the exterior package. So the electricians have also come and put in their boxes, and they're going to start running wires once the ductwork is in place. But the steel guys, cement crew is going to be coming and pouring the slab in the basement, but also the pans for the stairs. So it'll be a solid cement stair pan with rubber tile on top. And then we're going to do oak rails, stair rails to match the elementary school. That'll be nice. The back stairway, the fire escape, will be metal stair rails, so that'll be awesome. Here we are standing in the kitchen. I just want to show you the HVAC ducts that they're running from the basement, 4 of them. They're running through the first floor, kitchen, the bathrooms, the dining rooms, and then they go up into the attic, the second floor, and all the way to the attic, just for the air exchange for all the whole building. The second floor, this is the student bathrooms. The plumbers have been here putting in the framing for the toilets and the venting for all the sinks and toilets. Next, they'll be coming back to do the hot and cold water pipes. Here we are in the basement. We're prepping the floor now, smoothing out all the sand so we can put down a vapor barrier insulation and radiant tubing and get ready for pouring the concrete for the slab down the basement. And then we can do our partition walls. So here we are on the back porch. We got the framing in, the roof's on. We're just waiting for the metal roof to come. And the decking has come. It's going to be Douglas fir on the deck. And then the timbers here are milled right in our own sawmill, 6x6s, and downstairs the 8x8s. Thank you so much for checking in to the Immaculate Heart of Mary School construction update. As you can see, we made a lot of progress and we're still moving forward. A lot of interior stuff's going on, and hopefully next spring we'll be working on the landscaping and retaining walls. But thank you for your prayer and support, and we'll continue to pray for you and your family. God bless you.